my footprints. I lost all my footprints. In the ocean. Mom, what's in the ocean?
It's a pond. What do you think's in there?
Maybe a sea monster?
No. What did we see in the other pond behind us? What kind of shells and claws did we see? And what animal did we see that was alive still?
A crab?
There's probably crabs in there. What else?
Dead crabs.
And dead crabs, yeah.
And leaves.
And leaves. What about fish?
Nope.
Yeah. What about ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No fish in there.
Yeah, there's probably fish in there.
No, there's no fish in there.
None that you can see, but that doesn't mean that there are none.
Wow.
Should we keep walking?
I want to bring some dust.
Some dust?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know the flies?
Hmm. The bridge is this way. Come to the bridge. It's too sunny. There's no shade over here. Because they don't have any trees. Nice. You can bring it if you want. Or not. Because there's more shade over here. Yeah? It just says, welcome to the Edson Fichter Nature Trail. Fichter?
Whoa, butterflies are in here. And antelopes are in here. Are antelopes in this country?
Those are... I don't know what those are.
Those are antelopes.
Okay. Oh, you're right. It's a pronghorn antelope. Oh my. You guys know so much about animals.
No, you?
I don't know that much. I just read the word that you were right. It's a pronghorn antelope.
I don't know what animals those are. Well, I think I will go down here. Pronghorn. Whoa. Let's go down here carefully.
Okay.
Or we will slip in here.
Here, I'll hold your hand.
If you slip, sit on your butt.
That's a good idea. If you're going to slip, sit on your butt.
And go around that pricky.
Yeah, watch out for that pricky.
I did.